Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood.
Hello everyone, welcome to WhatsApp Bollywood. Sardar Udham Singh biopic, which starred Vicky Kaushal, was released on Amazon Prime Video on October 16, 2021. Based on the life of revolutionary Sardar Udham Singh is being applauded by critics and audiences alike. The film was in the race of India's official entry to Oscars along with Mandela, Nayat, Sherni and others. But the jury of 15 members, headed by Malayalam filmmaker Shaji N. Karun, went through 15 films and chose Kuzhangal as India's entry. It was even being considered as the official entry by India for the Oscars 2022. In the end, the spectacular Tamil film Kuzhangal, directed by P.S. Vinod Raj, was chosen as India's Oscar entry. In an interview with Times of India, Indradeep Dasgupta, who was part of the selection jury for India's Oscar entry, revealed why Sardar Udham Singh didn't make the cut. He told Times of India, Sardar Udham Singh is a well-made production with brilliant cinematography that lives up to international standards. But it is little lengthy and harps on the Jallianwala Bagh incident. It is an honest effort to make a lavish film on an unsung hero of Indian freedom towards the British. In this era of globalization, it's not fair to hold on this hatred. Kuzhangal, in contrast, is truly Indian film with global appeal. It has no agenda attached to it. It is the most honest film among all the contenders. To note, the film Sardar Udham revolves around how the freedom fighter avenged the death of innocents at the Jallianwala Bagh massacre led by Michael O. Dwyer. Well, fans are shocked to hear this. See, let me show you how they have reacted. One user wrote, the jury that sent the official entry on behalf of India has rejected Sardar Udham, the film, for stupidest logic. Did you read the report? Where does it say Oscar rejected it? What's your exact problem? Another one said, Gully Boy can go for Oscars but Sardar Udham can't. Weird. Another one said, 2001, Lagan, fictional movie of toxic British Raj, India's official entry to Oscars. 2021, Sardar Udham, real biographical accounts of Jallianwala Bagh massacre and an unsung freedom fighter, not sent because it shows hatred toward British. Excellent. Another one said, still suffering from colonial hangover. Truth is often unpalatable. The Indian member of Oscar committee says that movie on Sardar Udham Singh reflects hatred towards British, so it has been rejected. Another one said, Oscar rejected Sardar Udham from Oscar entry because a jury said it shows hate towards British. It doesn't matter to them even if it's the truth. Another one wrote, can't stop thinking about Sardar Udham. I wonder why is not India's entry for Oscar this year. Another one said, more than Pakistan winning game, you all should be worried about Sardar Udham movie being rejected for Oscars 2022 by our own Indian jury. Indradeep Dasgupta, who was part of jury that rejected Sardar Udham's entry to Oscars 2022, said that the film projects hatred towards British. Well, what do you think about these reactions and this whole matter? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such updates, keep watching WhatsApp Bollywood.